Hey guys, welcome back to another video with the Justin Sphere. In today's video, we are going to be building and reviewing bag 1 of this LEGO Speed Champions F1 Academy LEGO race car set. This set has 201 pieces and is rated for 10+. It looks like it's going to be a really cool set. So remember to smash that like and subscribe button for some awesome videos of the Justin Sphere, and here's the time lapse for day 1. Hey guys, so that was the time lapse for day 1 of this LEGO F1 car, and as you can see, so far we finished quite a bit of the base of the set. We already have the car seat, along with the controls for the car, and then a little LEGO symbol on the front, along with multiple other stickers. And it looks really cool so far, so remember to smash that like and subscribe button for some awesome videos with Justin Sphere. I'll see you next week with the Justin Sphere. See ya.